comes a time when you face to the blackness, and when you're staring at that phone in your lap, and you hoping but them people never call you back. But that's just how the story unfolds. You get another hand soon as you fall, and when your plans unravel in the sand, what would you expose if you had one chance? So we're playing, sorry I'm late. I'm on my way, so don't close that gate. If I don't make sense, then I switch my flight, and I'll be right back at it by the end of the night. Somebody take me back to the day before it was a job, before I got paid, before it ever mattered what I had in my space. And that's when I was trying to get it to that subway, and that's when I was rapping for the elephant. But nowadays you rapping to stay relevant. I'm dying to make some wishes out of airplanes, and maybe, yo, maybe I go back to the day before the politics that was on the rap game, and that's when ain't nobody listen to my mixtape. And that's before I tried to cover up my slang, but I just know they made a one Robin White. So when I get a wish to hear the politics and get back to the music and start it this. So if I'm saying and then again I say, I'm hoping we can make some wishes out of airplanes.
You was in that airplane, night sky like shooting stars. I can really wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. You was in that airplane, night sky like shooting stars. I can really wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. I can really wish right now. I can really wish right now. Like